So today we're at Wolfpack Motorsports, and behind me we have the Polaris RS1 for Matlock Racing. Kristen and Wayne Matlock are going to be racing a Wolfpack built Polaris RZR out on the track at Lucas Oil Regionals. With the Lucas Oil Regionals, they have a couple requirements that we have to go by. The main hoops right here have to be 120 wall. Other than that, everything else is 095. Obviously, we try and make the cars as light as we can based on whatever rules they have. We build the same exact cage for all the recreational duners minus non-welded doors.